Hi viewers, in this video I am going to show you the interface of BricsCAD. So BricsCAD works on the typical toolbar concept. So here I have my standard toolbar, and also I have a list of various toolbars which can be toggled on and off by right clicking on any of the toolbar. Also I could toggle on and off my command bar, a properties bar, and also I could toggle on and off the status bar. Here I also have the pull down menu. So I have here commands listed to the file pull down, edit, view. As you can see, all these commands are very similar to AutoCAD. Also listed here in the pull down, we have the Express tools and also CAD Power. So CAD Power is a program written by DesignSense for the users of BricsCAD. And on top I have the title bar, which displays the version of BricsCAD I'm using, and also my current drawing name. So here I have my model space as well as paper space. So the model space is where I do all my drawing work, and the layout is where I present my drawing. So the enhancement in BricsCAD is in the status bar. I could very easily right click and set my drawing units. So this does not require an extra dialog box for setting my drawing units. Also listed here is I have my current layers. I could very quickly at the click of a mouse I could set my current layer. So I have also the current color of my entities to be drawn, my current line type, and also my current text style, my dimension style, and also my workspaces. Also you can see listed here is the drawing aids, so where I could just toggle on and off, and also this works with the function keys similar to AutoCAD. So I could press my F8 key and you could see this toggles on and off. So here also we have another enhancement in BricsCAD, which is the quad menu, which I will be doing it in another video. And also I have a small flyout where I could switch on and off the options to be displayed in the status bar. So coming to the tool palette bar, the tool palette bar helps me to change the properties of the entity selected. So I could select the entity and it displays the properties of the entity selected. So I could go here and change the value of this particular entity. And here listed in the properties bar is also the quick select. So I could very quickly do a quick select. So this doesn't have an additional dialog box. So where I could switch on the quick select and you could see all my entities are listed in this pull down. So if I want to select circles, I could just say select a circle, select circles, and add them to a new selection set. Also I could do selections from a particular selection. So I could select entities and you could see all entities from this selection is listed here. Okay, coming down, I could also switch off the command bar, and any command issued, say line, you could see the following prompts, the prompts following after the command on the status bar. So when a command is typed, you could see the auto search for the command for the word typed. So I could also select from the list of the auto search. And also I have the tool palettes, so where I could right click and select the tool palettes bar. So tool palettes can be customized based on my project or based on the particular user. So I could also right click and say add tool and just select the command I want into the tool palette. Also, coming to the customization part of BricsCAD, I could customize my menu, my toolbars, my keyboard, mouse, my quad menu, as well as you could see the command aliases where I could add a desired alias for my particular command. So here we also have the quad menu, so where I could just hover onto the entity and it displays a list of commands to be performed on the hovered entity. So here I could also very quickly right click and change the size of my toolbars. So I could also switch on to a larger view as well as small icons. So at the bottom displayed is your BricsCAD icon or your application icon. So I could just right click and here I have a list of drawings. So here I have a list of recent drawings opened as well as I have a list of frequently used drawings which are pinned. So frequently used drawings can also be pinned onto this icon. So when I go to file, I also have the recent list of files to be displayed. So this is controlled by the set vars. The number of files to be displayed is controlled by the set vars. And also I have here the Drawing Explorer. So I have Drawing Explorer where I have around 23 dialog boxes of AutoCAD combined into the Drawing Explorer, which are the layer states, line types, line styles, text styles, materials, blocks, and so on. You could refer to the video on the Drawing Explorer to get more information on it. So here I have my settings menu, which is equivalent to the options in AutoCAD. So here I could search for or set any of my set vars. Say I want to change the background of my screen. I just type background. So you have to just type your string and I click the button below. So here I could just change the background of the screen very quickly. So this avoids number of dialog boxes for my options or settings. So anything if I type wrong will be highlighted with a orange color. So options can also be searched in these following categories. So this is what I have with the interface of BricsCAD. Hope you enjoyed it and thank you.